Eh bien, salut à toutes et à tous, ici Slenderboy, le fils de... Non, vous savez quoi? Pour cette semaine spéciale, on va faire une nouvelle intro. What's up? Bon, c'est cringe, mais ouais, je vais quand même le faire. Bref, ici le fils de votre creepypasta préféré, Slenderboy. Et aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour le premier épisode de la semaine, Ghostface versus. Je suis très content de la faire. Et pour ce premier épisode, nous allons réagir à deux vidéos qui viennent de la chaîne Cameron The Person, qui est un youtubeur qui fait beaucoup de Ghostface Versus. Et d'ailleurs, sachez que toutes les vidéos auxquelles on va réagir durant cette semaine viendront de sa chaîne. Et du coup, pour commencer, j'avais envie de réagir à ces deux vidéos sur Ghostface versus Dark Vador. Voilà. Pour vous donner, sachez que d'ailleurs que Dark Vador, bon, je crois que j'avais déjà dit dans ma vidéo où je vous présentais Dark Vador Samurai dans Fortnite, c'est mon méchant préféré de. Ça pourrait être littéralement le successeur de Slenderman, tellement j'adore le personnage. Mais, bon, il est quand même. J'adore mon père, donc voilà. Bref, j'ai assez parlé, je vous propose qu'on commence.
Hey Billy.
Ah, attendez, non, on va pas commencer tout de suite. Je vais mettre les sous-titres parce que, comme ça, au moins, vous comprendrez mieux. Bon, voilà.
Hi, Stu. Oh, I'm so glad you're here. I found a good victim for you this time, I swear it. Stu, I swear to God, if you have someone that can literally touch me and I die on my mother's grave, I will come back as a spirit from the depths of hell and I will torture you for the rest of your miserable little life. Relax, Billy. This one's a piece of cake. Trust me.
Ouais, non.
Alright, Stu. Against
Piece
my
of cake
better
alors que
judgment,
c'est Dark
I'm
Vador.
going to trust you. Now, who's the challenger today?
Tin, 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 tin.
Well, Billy, do you like my present? Where the fuck did you get Darth Vader? Hey, why are you shouting at me? I thought you would have liked this. You stupid son of a bitch. Stu,
You
what
stupid
is
son
the
of a-
name of Darth Vader's weapon? A
Lightsaber.
Right. So what happens when a lightsaber meets flesh? It burns through the skin. Ring-a-ding-ding-ding! Yes, it burns through the skin! Now answer this question. Where does Darth Vader reside in the Star Wars movies? The Death Star? The Death Star, Stu! Now then, can you tell me what the primary function of this massive moon-shaped base is? To blow up planets? Yes, Stu! And what do we have? A knife? A singular knife, Stu! You know what
Ouais, ils
this
sont dans la
means
merde.
for us? We are space dust! Hey, you're the one that's always going on about how annoying the emo guys in school are. This
Comment
guy's
je vais
about
l'inventer?
as emo as you can get. I thought it'd be perfect, Stu.
Nice.
It's just as you said. I meant the guys in our school. Vader will literally kill us like the younglings back in Revenge of the Sith. Well, it's not as if I can back out now, is it? I'm the one who called his wife a whore and... Stu, I think it's about time that we stop doing what we do and accept death. Yeah.
Je le savais. Ah, je te jure, ils sont cons. Bon, surtout Stu, hein, c'est quand même lui qui a eu cette idée. Bon, je m'apprête à... Je vais remonter. Esquiper, voilà.
Alright, Stu. What BS are...
Désolé, je remets les sous-titres, ils ont été enlevés. Ouais. Désolé pour le petit pour la petite pub.
you gonna pull on me today? I found a place that'll actually take us into their organization. You're welcome, by the way. Stu, what are you going on about? You know how we got turned down by both the Black Hat organization and the League of Villains? Yeah. Only because you couldn't shut your trap for 2 goddamn seconds without insulting them. I mean, yeah. But I can't exactly insult this guy when I don't know what he looks like underneath.
Quoi?
Stu, who exactly did you pick out this time? Billy? Have you ever heard of the tragedy? No. Don Plagueis the Wise? No.
Bah, de retour.
so excited to meet a
Oh, le
familiar
fou.
face. God motherfucking damn it, Stu!
God
Why
motherfucking
in the
damn
son
it!
of hell would you get Darth Vader again? Me and Vader came to an understanding,
Quoi?
and I'm repaying a debt that I owe to him. Well, don't leave me in suspense, Stu. How exactly are you repaying him? Simple, actually. I swore myself to the Empire and the dark side of the Force. You fucking what? Yep. And since I've done a good job at repaying my debt to Vader, let's just say I got some rewards for being as obedient as I've been. And what are those rewards exactly? Check this shit out, Billy.
Ah ouais, d'accord.
I'm a Sith Lord now. Oh god, you have a lightsaber? Wait a goddamn minute. Can you force choke people? Yep, watch this. Okay, not gonna lie, that's actually kind of dope. Exactly. So, you wanna get in on this? As much as I'd like to. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to decline your very generous offer.
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
As do I, Lord Vader. Billy, why wouldn't you want any of this? Listen, Stu. As cool as those powers are, nothing is going to convince me to serve under fucking Darth Vader. What's wrong with him? Stuart? Nothing is ever going to convince me to follow under an asthmatic, cybernetically enhanced master of the Sith arts who not only helped organize Order 66, which ended up killing several hundred Padawans, but is also the whiniest bitch in the Star Wars universe. He complained about not being on the fucking Council of Jedi despite being the fucking chosen one, and sacrificed literally everything just to get a chance to get laid. You see the problem here, right? You do realize you said all of that while he was right here, right? I'm pretty sure he could cut you in half with his lightsaber if he wants. Shit, he could just have me do it, and I do it without any hesitation. Alright, but last time we faced off against him, we were willfully unprepared. But I'm ready now. Alright, Vader. Show me what you got!
You have failed me for the last time.
Oh, god damn it!
You suck, Billy. Ah, putain de merde. Ah, j'adore ces vidéos. Bref, mesdames et messieurs, c'est la fin de cette vidéo sur Ghostface vs Dark Vador. J'adore les deux vidéos, alors celle de la deuxième est un peu plus récente, elle date d'il y a 6 mois. Bref, j'espère que ça vous a plu. Si c'est le cas, n'hésitez pas à mettre un petit like et à vous abonner, ça fait toujours plaisir. Je suis très content de enfin vous sortir cette semaine spéciale. Sur ce, je vous dis à très bientôt pour de nouvelles aventures effrayantes. D'ici là, prenez soin de vous et de vos proches. Et à très bientôt. Et rassurez-vous, pour la fin, je ne dirai pas WhatsApp ou un truc dans le genre. Allez, à bientôt.